I woke up this morning feeling anxious and with a void so huge. I thought it's because of vitamin D deficiency, so I squeezed myself a glass of orange juice. As people say, it's common. It happens and advise me not to stray. So I tell myself while in utter grief that you know what, Pari, it's okay. They say don't cry, don't yell, don't think, and don't speak. Remember, in need, there is no help to seek. Behave, be mature, don't wander. Stop being childish, don't do anything. Because venting out emotion is a myth and only shame is what it brings. They tell me to count my faults and watch them every day. So I told my mind with more anger this time that you know what, Pari, it's okay. There are rules to everything, like it should be capital in happy. But what if I want my ethics to start with a small e? Don't fight with a guy. Think through. Don't do anything without a plan. Now I think he was right, the Joker in Batman. He said, introduce a little anarchy, upset the established order, and everything becomes a chaos. Well, he totally slay. But still, with swollen eyes, throat dried out, I tell myself, you know what, Pari, it's okay. Today, I want to fall, revive, and eat a cheap ice cream from Have More. Because you know what? It's not okay anymore. I don't want to greet, don't want to make vows, and don't want to trust. Because whatever is happening these days is above my trust. Call me mad, but I will vent out the way I will like to. Starting today, me, myself, and I is the only thing that is true. If I have said sorry once and you want me to repeat, count till 5 and from your life you will see me go obsolete. I'm going to ink my body, eat what I want, drink what I want. I will get back to my kind of pavilion. Of course, you are welcome to intervene, but what's not is your character related opinion. Because me getting hurt because of any XYZ person is not okay anymore. Because punishing me over the same thing for ages is not okay anymore. Because losing myself over what someone said is not okay anymore. And because you stepping on my full fledged healed soul is not okay anymore. It's not okay anymore.